Hey guys, this is Vic. Hey, welcome to my channel. Appreciate y'all stopping in. Just received a package just 10 minutes ago from Mr. Ian Tools on YouTube. Tools, tins, bottles, and more on Instagram. Mr. Ian, I appreciate you, brother. Let's see what you sent. I think this came by way of Mr. John Fix, super nice guy, helping Mr. Ian out. And let's see what we got here. Boxed it up good. Let's take this out. Mr. Ian collects tins and tobacco tins and stuff. We have that in common. He's a great young man. He knows his tools, knows them better than I do. That's for sure. I know he loves Tremo and Miller's Falls. Unfortunately, he lives in Canada, and here they won't spend. You have to spend, or actually just trade in your firstborn, get something mailed out to there. But let's see what we got here. Some slip joint pliers. Look at this rascal. Did a fine job taping it up, didn't he? This is pretty slick. Oh, there's the handle, other handle. Oh yeah. Well, Mr. Ian, I appreciate you. Check out that. Made in England. Rapid? Alright, yeah, Rapid. She's tight. We can have a little fun with her. That just slips on there. How about that? That's a pretty. So put a little shine on this rascal. Look at there. Rapid. I was thinking, Mr. Ian, I was thinking of your Buck Roger tools, and scrape the handles down. Put a little gun stock stain on there. She's still a little tight. I put some red tacky grease on there. We can get her going, but I think she came out all right. So hope you like that. See this slip joint here. Y'all know I can't read it. Durable, Canada made. And a gray. How about that? That's two good ones to my look. Wire wheeled it and waxed it, cleaned it up. It's heavy duty. It's a little nice little slip joint. Made in Canada. And then the gray, it's the first gray tool that I have, and just did a quick job and just threw a little blue on there. So hopefully I made you proud of those Canada tools there. Oh, I see the name wizard. Look at there. Little wizard. Number 9, I bet. See if I can get that up there. Check that out. All right, and the wizard number 9. That's what it was. Took and fixed the jaws here, and I left it alone. Mr. Ian likes his tools to have character, and basically that's what I did here, and then just blued it and threw a little big Vic blue in there, and really like the way it came out. Ian trying to keep me busy. Nice little wood handled pipe wrench. Put that up there and see if I can zoom in later. And well, she's nice. She's nice. Look at there. The same thing. I just wire wheeled it down. This is made in Canada as well. It's made in Canada. on the handle. I did a Kona stain under, and then put American walnut over the top of it. Try to give it that old timey, back to that old timey look, since I was keeping it the way it is, and just wire wheeled it and waxed it and put it out. Got me some wrenches. Check that out. A Wizard high torque. That's pretty slick there. H2012. Nice. Yeah, thank you, sir. Look at there. Scoutcrafter red with Big Vic blue. Can't go wrong there. That's my Wizard colors. Wire wheeled it, waxed it up, threw a little paint in there. Just goes good. Oh man, got me some glass cutters. Steen, I appreciate you, buddy. Thank you. Little tap hand, that's pretty cool, ain't it? I might clean that up. Was the rustiest of the bunch, and all I did was wire wheel that little tap handle. And that's probably my favorite. Put some grease in there on the threads. It came out nice. I just knew that thing was going to be pitted, but there ain't hardly any pits in it. And if you go back and look, it was rusty. Rusty. And I thought that was going to be thought I was going to spend a lot of time with that, but I didn't. So that's how that one came out. Little advertisement screwdriver. I love these things. Petroleum products. City services. Thank you, sir. Little Red Devil. 60. It's all right. I ain't got one like that. That's pretty nice. Red Devil, 60. Just wire wheel ends and wax them. Eureka. That's pretty cool. I really like that. That's real sweet. Wire wheeled it. Little paint, clear coated. Mr. Ian, I appreciate you, my friend. Hey, hope y'all have a good one. Thank y'all so much for stopping in. And y'all go check out Mr. Ian's page, Ian's Tools. Thank you, sir.